Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the SW30 food grade portion scale. The IC-SW-30 is a popular food portion scale, commonly used in the food sector for accuracy when measuring for recipes, to ensure consistent serving sizes, and for cost control and efficient inventory management. Highly desirable features of this scale include the 30 kilo weight capacity, 1 gram readability, the backlit digital display, and an update time of less than or equal to 1/10 of a second, which means faster measurements and results. What's more, the scale is IP65 rated waterproof and has a large stainless steel platform which facilitates easy cleaning and complies with food safety requirements. In the box there's an operation manual, power adapter, Allen key and a metal washer to secure the weighing platform, the stainless steel pan which can be removed from the weighing platform for easy cleaning, and the weighing platform. Last of all is the scale. This has the area to mount the platform on top. On the front is a bubble level, LCD screen, a battery charge indicator light, 3 buttons, these are on, off, tear and 0. On the base of the scale are 4 adjustable feet for balancing, the rechargeable battery is located under this compartment, and the power adapter input. For more information on this scale, including a video demonstrating how to set it up, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!